YouTube, reuse content when it comes to monetization. This is the worst message you could get when you apply for monetization or when you just got demonetized. YouTube has really upped their game when it comes to the quality of the content which you can upload. As you can see, guys, I got denied my YouTube monetization. I applied for YouTube monetization, but I got denied, and then I appealed and I also got denied. Completely, girls don't deny me as much as YouTube does, but I'm gonna show you my video which I used for my appeal, and apparently why it didn't work. The reason was videos referenced in my appeal are not representative of my channel. I did reference most of the videos in my channel. I think the reason why YouTube denies you mostly is if they see a compilation. I had 2 compilations, only 2. I have, like, bear in mind, I have 40 videos and just 2 compilations. The YouTube team sees compilation on your channel, they're like, no, remove this guy, get this guy away from me. So compilations are really not favored at all on YouTube currently. So let's see what the examples of what is being allowed to monetize. A funny and thoughtful revision of content you didn't originally create. All right. Clips of others' content, a scene, replays, reaction videos where you comment on the original video. I had my most watched video was a reaction video of my favorite comedian, as you guys will see right here. I'm gonna play it in a second. But apparently it wasn't good enough, my reaction. I did talk throughout the video. I didn't just talk at the beginning. I talked throughout the video, but YouTube was like, no, this is not good. And the rest of my content on my channel as it is currently are just tutorials and trying to help people. So yeah, the examples of what you shouldn't do on YouTube: short videos compiled from other social media, that I did not do that. Collections of songs, nope. Clips of moments, nope. Content uploaded many times by other creators and promotions. I did neither of those, yet I still got denied. Why is that? Like I said, if you want to bypass this little it's not a little milestone, but like a hurdle. If you want to bypass this, you have to create very original content. You have to show your face, you have to talk, and sometimes that still is not enough. I do not understand why YouTube denied me, if I have to be completely honest. I already have a monetized channel. I know how things work. I'll try again, I guess. But I'm gonna show you my a demo video of what you shouldn't do, apparently, because it also got denied when it comes to the appeal. All right, let's play it, boys. Hello YouTube team. So guys, I got denied for monetization for the following reason: reuse content. My channel URL is this, and my name, the custom URL that I've created, is called net help. Yeah, by the way, make sure this was one of the requirements. You have to show your channel URL or channel name in the first 30 seconds so they know it's legit. Now, mine is a channel based on tutorials to try to help out people, educate them, and basically there are software tutorials. But I meet the criteria. This is before I deleted my reaction video, which had the most watch hours. This is what my channel looks like. I make, like I said, software tutorial videos. If we click just some random one, found a fantastic. Yeah, this is it. There should be me in some of these, like my actual face. See, this is me. Yep. And then, as you guys can see, more than 30 videos, about 35 to 40 videos are just tutorials of how you can create this, how can you do that, and so on and so forth. Kind of, as you can see in this very bottom here, you can see I got 1 compilation, 2 compilations, but they didn't have many views, to be honest. I think those were it. 2 compilations, 2 or 3 compilations, 1 reaction, and the rest are all tutorials for how you can do certain things on your computer. Popular, but I don't median. Now this is my most popular video. It got 15,000. Yeah, this was my video before I deleted it. 15k views, and it had 2.5k watch hours views. And I wanna look at the do's and don'ts. So look at this. If we click on reused contents, it says don't create other social, right? The other don't. Now this is my most popular favorite, and I want to look at the reported action review. Because I'm a huge Brandon Rogers fan. Have not watched the normal British series. It's one of the few videos which I have not watched. And this is gonna be my reaction to the first time that I see this. Episode, the first episode. As you can see, guys, I talked throughout the video. It was not just me staying there like and the video playing in the background. No, that wasn't it. Yet my appeal still got denied. Let's see what I showed them later on in the appeal. Later on in the appeal, I showed them how I create my videos. I showed them that I use OBS. Then for editing, I use Sony Vegas. And for creating my thumbnails, I use paint.net. I showed them that somewhere around here also. But apparently that wasn't enough. And the reason why my appeal got denied, videos referenced in your appeal are not representative of your channel. Your appeal focused on a small number of videos on your channel instead of explaining your channel as a whole. In order your suspicion to be over. Did I not explain that my channel was a software tutorial channel at the very beginning? I'm starting to think that the YouTube team didn't even watch my video. They saw me, they saw just nerdy you. They're like, no, I will not watch this. Whatever, it doesn't really matter. I'll apply again after a month, but it was really, really unfortunate. It doesn't represent my channel as a whole. If you go to my channel currently, you will see that my channel is has a very specific topic and what I do on there. As you can see, look, tutorials upon tutorials. That is all I do. So YouTube, I think, are just trying their best to deny creators of the possibility of monetizing. I don't understand why that is. Maybe because they can already put ads on our videos even before we get accepted, so we get a cut from the money. I don't know. But this is apparently what you shouldn't do. And if you want to bypass that, you got to make sure that you got to show your face or your voice throughout the video. You cannot just stay there and expect them to monetize your channel. And if you make compilation videos, just completely forget about getting monetized. Compilation videos, unless you talk a lot all throughout the video, compilation videos, if they see a compilation video on your channel, they will say this is not monetized worthy. So yeah, my monetization attempt got denied, my appeal got denied, and my life is getting denied right now. No, I'm kidding. It's not that dramatic. You can reapply, guys. If you get denied, you can reapply after 1 month, and in total you can reapply to join the partner program 3 times. 3 times, then after that you can no longer apply. So good luck to everyone. Change something. You have to. What I did is, you can see here, you gotta make drastic changes. If you get denied, you gotta make drastic changes. So now I deleted all of the videos which were compilation videos and my reaction video, and as you can see, my watch hours just completely went down. But it is what it is. Honestly, I'm starting from 0 right now. I'll grind this up. I'll reapply next month or whenever I hit the milestone, and let me know what your story with monetization is, boys and girls. I'll see you next time. Bye.